Standing in a vast desert, engineers planned a structure so tall it would eventually pierce the clouds above Dubai.
Before building upward, engineers had to map the weak desert soil to ensure it could support 500,000 tons.
A massive industrial drill bites into the earth, beginning the process of creating the deepest foundation in history.
Thousands of tons of steel rebar are woven together to form the skeletal strength of the tower's foundation.
Engineers lower massive steel cages 50 meters into the earth, creating the friction piles that hold the tower.
An army of trucks pours nearly 45,000 cubic meters of concrete to create the massive foundation raft.
The revolutionary three-wing design creates a stable core, preventing the world's tallest building from twisting or leaning. Self-climbing hydraulic forms allow the building to grow a new floor every few days with perfect mechanical precision. Custom-built pumps defy gravity, pushing thick concrete 600 meters straight up into the clouds at high pressure. Engineers tested massive-scale models in wind tunnels to ensure the building would not sway dangerously during desert storms. Each of the building's 27 tiers is designed at different heights to disrupt the powerful and destructive wind forces. Workers install galvanized steel decking across the wings, creating the sturdy floors that will eventually house thousands of people. High-strength mechanical couplers join massive steel bars together, ensuring the tower's central core remains unbreakable under extreme pressure.
The three-winged footprint provides maximum stability and allows for an abundance of natural light in every single apartment. 3 massive self-climbing cranes dominate the skyline, lifting thousands of tons of heavy materials to record-breaking heights daily.
Deep within the central core, engineers prepare the shafts for the world's fastest elevators to travel through the tower. Engineers installed miles of heavy-duty safety netting to protect thousands of workers as they labored high above the clouds.
Pumps operate at extreme pressures to force thick concrete through steel pipes, reaching heights never before attempted in construction. Crossing the 100th floor, the Burj Khalifa officially becomes a titan of the sky, visible from across the entire. Over 26,000 individual glass panels were manufactured and organized in a massive logistical operation to cover the tower.
Specialized silver coating on the glass reflects the sun's intense radiation, keeping the interior cool despite the desert heat.
Laboring in 50-degree temperatures, thousands of workers endured extreme conditions to keep the ambitious construction project moving on schedule. Night shifts become a necessity, as cooler temperatures allow for more precise work on the building's delicate glass exterior.
High-speed construction hoists transport thousands of workers and materials daily, serving as the vital lifeline of the rising tower.
A synchronized race begins as the glass skin follows the concrete core upward at a pace of 1 floor.
Ingenious systems collect condensation from the glass facade, providing millions of gallons of free water for the building's landscape.
Now clad in shimmering silver glass, the tower stands nearly complete, prepared for the final and most difficult ascent. At the 156th floor, the concrete core ends, and a massive steel structure begins the final climb upward.
Powerful hydraulic strand jacks were used to slowly push the massive steel spire through the roof of the tower.
Emerging from the concrete roof, the steel spire pierces the clouds, officially reaching heights never before seen by man. Engineers used advanced laser leveling tools to ensure the rising spire remained perfectly vertical at nearly 1 kilometer high.
High-intensity warning lights are installed on the spire, ensuring the world's tallest building is visible to all passing aircraft.
The spire reaches its final height of 828 meters, completing the tallest man-made structure on the planet.
A massive internal electrical grid powers thousands of lights and systems, keeping the vertical city alive through the night.
Double-deck elevators travel at incredible speeds, transporting visitors to the observation decks in less than 1 single minute. The Burj Khalifa opens with a spectacular display, a global symbol of human ambition and an engineering triumph today. Specialized telescopic machines emerge from hidden hatches to clean the 26,000 glass panels that cover the massive tower.
Massive mechanical floors act as the building's heart, pumping chilled water through miles of pipes to fight desert heat.
Inside, luxury living reaches new heights, with residential lounges and libraries offering
Reinforced refuge floors provide safe havens for residents during emergencies, featuring independent air supplies and fire-resistant concrete walls. Using the power of gravity, massive tanks distribute fresh water to every floor, ensuring a constant and reliable supply.
At its base, the world's largest choreographed fountain system creates a stunning spectacle, drawing visitors from across the globe.
Thousands of internal sensors monitor the building's structural health every second, ensuring total safety against wind and seismic activity. The Burj Khalifa remains a global icon, proving that human ambition can reach beyond the clouds and change the world.
Sophisticated plumbing systems use gravity and specialized tanks to manage waste safely across nearly 1 kilometer of vertical height.
At the tower's peak, massive vents suck in cool mountain air to reduce the energy needed for air conditioning. A high-tech command center monitors thermal sensors across every floor, ensuring a rapid response to any potential fire.
Massive underground generators stand ready to provide emergency power, keeping the tower's vital systems running during any blackout.
The building also houses the world's highest mosque, offering a peaceful place of worship nearly 800 meters high. Advanced biometric security systems ensure that only authorized residents and guests can access the tower's most exclusive private levels.
Engineers designed complex airlock systems to manage the intense pressure differences that occur within such a massive vertical structure.
Pásame el siguiente panel, por favor.
Aquí está. Ten cuidado con el borde.
Real-time weather sensors across the facade provide critical data, allowing the building to adapt to changing atmospheric conditions.
From the highest point ever built, we see a world transformed by a vision that reached beyond the sky. Massive internal service corridors and automated carts move thousands of tons of material through the tower's complex vertical network.
Express shuttle elevators transport passengers to massive sky lobbies, where local lifts then connect to every individual floor. High-pressure pump stations located at various intervals defy gravity, pushing fresh water up to the building's highest levels. Embedded deep within the foundation, fiber optic sensors monitor the building's settlement with sub-millimeter precision to ensure total stability. Engineers designed specialized airlocks to neutralize the stack effect, preventing powerful air currents from rushing through the tower. Thousands of craftsmen worked around the clock to install luxury finishes, transforming raw concrete into world-class residential spaces.
High-altitude helipads served as vital delivery points for urgent supplies, bypassing the slow climb of traditional construction hoists.
Massive liquid dampers absorb the building's kinetic energy, ensuring that residents remain comfortable even during high-velocity windstorms.
Standing as a silent guardian over Dubai.
A sophisticated digital brain monitors every single system in real time, ensuring maximum efficiency and total safety for residents. Custom-built fire elevators feature independent air supplies, allowing emergency teams to reach the highest floors in just seconds. High-speed vacuum tubes suck waste down from every floor, transporting it instantly to a massive underground collection center. Small turbines hidden within the spire harness high-altitude winds, generating clean energy to power the tower's external lighting. Integrated steel tracks allow specialized robotic cradles to glide safely across the facade, maintaining the tower's iconic shimmer.
A massive underground chiller plant produces enough cooling power to keep the entire vertical city comfortable during summer.
Internal mass dampers counteract the building's natural sway, ensuring that residents never feel the movement of the tower. Miles of high-speed fiber optic cables create a digital backbone, providing seamless global connectivity for every resident and business.
From the highest man-made point, we look down upon a world that once thought this tower was impossible.
Thousands of visitors enter through the Dubai Mall daily, beginning a high-tech journey into the heart of the tower.
Keep an eye on the power draw as the surge clears. It's holding steady at nominal. Dispatch mode is handling the load well. Engineers are developing robotic systems to perform dangerous maintenance tasks, ensuring the tower remains secure at record-breaking heights. Reinforced underground bunkers protect the building's critical infrastructure, ensuring total security and operational continuity during any major crisis. Heavy-lift helicopters transport critical machinery, bypassing the limit of traditional cranes. Exclusive VIP entrances provide high-security access for corporate leaders, combining world-class luxury with total privacy and safety.
Internal weather radar systems monitor approaching storms, allowing the tower to automatically adjust its systems for maximum safety.
From the highest floor, we watch a sunset that proves the incredible power of human vision and ambition.
Hidden seismic isolators allow the building to flex safely during earthquakes, protecting the structural integrity of the tower. Advanced recycling plants treat thousands of liters of water daily, reusing it for the building's massive desert landscape. Hidden beneath the luxury floors, a massive team of thousands works tirelessly to keep the vertical city running. Expert technicians perform precise touch-ups at extreme heights, protecting the steel spire from the harsh desert sun's radiation. Massive service elevators, large enough to carry heavy machinery, move critical equipment to the building's highest mechanical levels. Engineers designed the tower to sway safely in high winds, preventing structural failure while maintaining comfort for residents. Internal data centers manage the tower's complex digital systems, ensuring that everything from cooling to elevators operates perfectly. Autonomous drones perform high-resolution scans of the facade, identifying microscopic cracks before they can become major structural. Redundant satellite systems provide constant communication, ensuring the tower stays connected to the world during any major. Designed with a modular philosophy, the tower's internal systems can be easily upgraded with the technology of tomorrow.
As dawn breaks over Dubai, the
integrated lightning protection systems safely channel millions of volts into the ground, protecting the tower during massive desert.
Heavy-duty rubber gaskets create an airtight seal, preventing any moisture or dust from entering the tower's luxury. Giant emergency water tanks are strategically located throughout the building, providing vital resources during any major crisis situation.
Permanently installed cranes allow maintenance teams to reach every inch of the massive facade for repairs and cleaning.
Sophisticated security layers protect the world's most powerful people, blending world-class safety with the tower's extreme luxury.
All clear for lift.
Specialized brake tanks prevent wastewater from reaching dangerous speeds as it falls nearly 1 kilometer to the...
High-tech glass panels automatically adjust their tint to manage heat and light, ensuring a comfortable environment for residents.
From their extreme workplace, maintenance teams witness a view that reminds the world of our incredible vertical.
Designed as a self-sustaining vertical city, the tower houses thousands of people within a single, massive engineering marvel. Standing nearly twice as tall as previous record holders, the tower completely redefined the limits of modern global skyscrapers. At the very summit, advanced sensors constantly monitor structural vibrations, ensuring the spire remains stable in extreme conditions.
Millions of gallons of water are harvested from the air each year, sustaining the beautiful gardens around the Burj.
High-tech silver coatings on the glass reflect intense solar radiation, keeping the interior cool while saving massive energy. The engineering lessons learned here are now paving the way for even taller and more ambitious future structures. Final security protocols ensure that every resident and visitor remains protected within the world's most advanced vertical fortress. As the sun sets, the shimmering glass reflects a vision of the future that has now become our. From a hole in the desert to a titan in the sky, this project remains humanity's greatest engineering. The Burj Khalifa stands forever as a testament to what we can achieve when we dare to dream.